Hello you gorgeous people in the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby dozy day today. Well, the floodgates appear to have opened because I've got another handbag unboxing for you. Yeah, I've done it again. I bought another bag. I may have said, and you may remember me saying fairly recently, there's not much out there at the moment. The colours are all a bit boring. Just not feeling inspired. Well, I was inspired enough to get this bad boy. Let's just open the box and we can get into everything else afterwards. I found this on 24S. It is a colour I saw and thought, I'm going to need that. It is not in the size I originally wanted to go for, but this one was such a bargain, and after speaking to the line about sizes, he said you should probably go for it. Now you might have an idea on what this is, and you might be thinking, Gwenny, is it the Marc Jacobs Stephen Sprouse collaboration? A Marc Jacobs Stephen Sprouse collaboration. Does anyone remember the Louis Vuitton Stephen Sprouse collaboration headed up by Marc Jacobs in the early 2000s? The graffiti. Now, really wanted a monogram piece with the graffiti on it. I would have taken hot pink. I would have taken acid green colour. I would absolutely have taken either of those. And I would have taken them in a Neverfull. I wouldn't have wanted them in a Speedy. I would have taken them in a Speedy, but I don't like the Speedy. So it would have been under duress. Anyway, the line and I, road trip, America, 2019. We popped into Rebag, I think, and what goes around comes around, in LA, and they had them up there for what I thought at the time was stupid money, and it turned out to be actually a bit of a bargain by today's stupid increases. And then Marc Jacobs very recently, to celebrate 40 years of being a top-end fashion designer, has been doing multiple collaborations with past collaborators, and he worked with the estate of Stephen Sprouse to do his own The Tote bag Stephen Sprouse collaboration. On the website it was only available in medium in green, and that's not the combination I wanted, but I do want one of these pieces, and I thought that was going to be like, this is what's coming, sign up here. I signed up and they released some of the green and black medium sized ones, and then they were sold out, and I haven't seen anything about any other colours or any other sizes or anything, so I'm starting to think that that was it. My girl Veronica, I will have her channel and video linked down below, managed to snag herself one of these. Do I regret not purchasing? Yes and no. I regret not purchasing it because I like the story about how this came about, this particular collaboration revisit, as Marc Jacobs put out on a reel on his Instagram, which I will have inserted.
Hey Mark, can you tell me a little bit about this Sprouse bag?
Absolutely, Nick. So, back in the year 2000, when I was working at Louis Vuitton, I asked Stephen Sprouse to collaborate with me on a bag and a collection, and he said yes. I was thrilled. He'd always been one of my heroes in fashion. He came to Paris, moved into the Laetitia Hotel, and we started making stuff together. Out of it came this great graffiti bag that he did for Louis Vuitton on the Vuitton canvas, the monogram canvas. I was very stressed out, and one day I came to work and Stephen had taken a scrap of the Louis Vuitton monogram canvas, and he wrote his version of the Serenity Prayer on it as a gift to me. And the way that went was, grant me the serenity to chill. And, you know, I always think about that when shit hits the fan. So grant me the serenity to chill. Thank you, Stephen Sprouse, and thank you, Brad Sprouse, for allowing Marc Jacobs and me to use this gift of Stephen's on our tote bag, our classic tote bag. Thank you.
Which is just a fabulous story, and when I told the Lion, he said, yeah, you need one of those bags. You need to chill the hell out. Because of all of that, I am upset that I missed out. I'm not upset that I missed out because the green isn't really my thing and the black isn't really my thing at the moment. I'm trying to be more all about the colour. And the size, it's just really, really big for me. I have no need for a size that big. My current Marc Jacobs, the totes, are the first one I got, which is this denim in small, which I absolutely love. And the Lion said he hated, but after getting my Louis Vuitton, my vintage Louis Vuitton baggy PM from the Marc Jacobs era, the Lion did concede that Marc Jacobs, he knows what he's doing with denim and handbags. So I think he likes it now. My other, the Tote, is this mini. Now they did change the names of them around. That's the small, this is the mini, and I love it in this bubblegum pink and there's a gorgeous orange interior. Oh, I've got me key pouch in there, my Gucci key pouch in there, and I love how dinky this is. I really love how dinky this is. I can wear it crossbody and I can carry it top handle, and it's wonderful. It can be a little bit tiny sometimes when I want to carry more. Pretend none of that happened, and we'll get into the actual reveal of what I actually bought. I really like these Marc Jacobs dust bags with Marc Jacobs written all over them. I think they're fun and they're nice and big and easy to get in and out of. Okay, so we know it's a tote bag, but what size, what material and what colour? Prepare to have your socks knocked off, because I went for not a limited edition one. Look at this colour! This is the colour Limoncello, and it is throwing lime. It's kind of a lemony limey kind of colour, and it is the leather, and it is bigger than this one. You can see, oh look at the colours together, aren't they fabulous? This is the small, so this is the same size as my denim. There we go. Just a quick comparison, because really I'm here for the colour. If you are new to my channel, then hiya, I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. If you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, including cheeky little designer bag unboxings, then get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Now I picked this up at 24S and I originally wanted to get it in the mini size, couldn't find it anywhere in the mini size. I believe this is new season. It must just be really popular, because I just can't see it anywhere. Yes, it's all packaged up and everything, so let's get some of this off. So like all the other Marc Jacobs, the totes, this has got silver hardware on it. Loads of stuffing. I was a little bit concerned when I took it out of the box, because I opened the box just to check it over very quickly. I was a bit concerned that it was heavy, really heavy. I think that's partly down to all of the packaging and stuff. But she's not going anywhere, because I absolutely adore this colour. It's amazing. Okay, she's a bit more naked now. So this is the Limoncello colour. This is the tote bag. So we've got the tote bag Marc Jacobs, kind of debossed on the front there, slightly darker coloured, slightly darker shade. The debossing is flat, and the rest of the bag is kind of I don't know if you would call it the pebbled leather or what you would call it, but it is a really nice supple leather. Do you know what, when I first started seeing these, I was like, why is everyone going so crazy nuts for the tote bag? Why are they going so crazy nuts for this really fun, brilliantly designed, fabulously thought out, fun colour, fun editions, fun limited editions? Why is everyone going nuts for this affordable designer bag? Well, your girl's in love, and I don't like to repeat bags. I prefer to have the variety, but my mini baguette by Fendi and the tote bag by Marc Jacobs, I have repeated. I probably will continue to repeat. Let's take the label off. So I got this from 24S, and I actually got this for a bargain. So this generally retails for £425, and I got it for like £2.58 or something like that. I think it was around about 40% off. I got it for about £2.58, £2.50, and then I had to pay something like £8 for delivery. thought there was more packaging in there. I'm just really happy to have this gorgeous bright bag. Now, it is the small size. It comes with a crossbody strap, which I haven't unwrapped yet. There is just tissue paper everywhere. I will adjust this down to the longest strap, to the longest fixing, because that's how I like to wear them crossbody. So I believe all of the leather bags come with this kind of skinny leather crossbody strap. I know my pink mini has got a similar strap to this. The crossbody strap I got with the denim small tote bag is in a drawer because I've never used it. It is kind of it is like the guitar strap, and usually I like them, but I think it was just a plain black one with just a little bit of this tan on it. I can't honestly remember. If I can find it, I'll take a photo and I'll insert it here. But I don't use this one crossbody. I may well not use the new Limoncello one crossbody, but it is nice to have the option. Inside my pink, I don't have any extras, just the lining. There's no pockets or anything, but it is a really teeny tiny bag. In my denim small, I have no pockets or anything, but this denim small has since been reissued. The sort of the patchwork denim has been reissued, and I believe it has got a little pocket at the back now. And this one, so crossbody strap, I'm just going to put that on the floor there. Oh, acid! The lining is just this sort of very off-white kind of colour, all leather lined, and at the back there is a sort of flappy bit here in canvas, and it's got a little card. Let's see if we can do it this way around. There's a little card slip. Let's do it like this. In here. Ah! Okay, so on the little flappy bit, you've got a big long pocket, and I've got care card instructions there. So you've got a quite malleable pocket there, and then a little card pocket that has the Marc Jacobs debossed into it as well. And it is just the most fabulous colour. Now I'm thinking obviously spring, summer. Trip to the shops, carry my water bottle, carry all my other gubbins in there, sunnies, you name it, everything's going in here. Umbrella, because we live in England and our summer has basically been rain so far. So it'll carry everything you need. You can wear it crossbody, you can wear it up to the elbow, carry, and in winter, I'm going to wear it in winter as well, and it's going to give a real kind of bright wow to any winter outfit. A simple winter whites, or even a winter darks. Outfit of the day. Oh, outfit of the day. Popped off with this lovely bright limoncello. I am obsessed. Now, I think you can see a similarity between this and my recent Gucci purchase, in that they are bright and they are fun, and that is what I'm going for. That is what I want. I spent too many years going for sensible black handbags that can do everything. Now I want all of my bags to do one thing, and that is bring me the biggest grin you have ever seen on my face. And these two recent bag purchases have absolutely done that. I cannot wait to be out and about rocking this limoncello, and I do like a little limoncello as well, if you know what I mean. Out and about rocking this in the bright sunlight, or even on a dull day, and I'll bring the brightness. Let me know what you think of the Marc Jacobs tote bag down below in the comments. Let me know what you think of my new Marc Jacobs the tote bag down in the comments. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, show it the thumbs up love, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!